Okay, first off, I want to say hello, Ben. How you doing? And thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company. I'll be going over three key factors: content, backlinks, and citations. Now, you understand every time you type something into Google right here, you're actually typing keywords into Google. And Google uses those words to look for what you're asking from a website that best fits your search for the words you just typed. Search engine optimization. See, Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to keyword or words that get typed in the search. And then Google categorizes these words based on their content. This is how you establish rank. You want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your page, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. Now you have backlinks. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. Google uses that to build trust in your business. It creates popularity. You also have citations or referring domains. That is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number are shown exactly as your Google business profile. If you don't have a Google business profile, it's highly recommended that you build one. It directly connects your business to citations, and that helps you rank in the maps. And it's extremely important to be seen in the maps. How many times have you searched, food near me, gas near me, whatever the case may be, and you go to the map and you're on your way. Citations and your Google business profile is how this ranks. Citation directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. Once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely you are to bring value to your business and move up the rank structure on the first page. Everything underneath the map is where the organic rank structure starts to take place. So, advertisement. Excuse me. But this is how the businesses achieve first page recognition through content and backlinks, keywords. Most people, they don't even go past the first page of Google, so it's important to be seen here as much as you can. So I typed in auto repair Charleston, South Carolina, because I know that's where we're out of. And you're not here on the first page. So I wanted to explain a little bit why and show you some insight. So I have your web page here. Nice. I really like the picture. Beautiful. Yeah, looks like you got a real decent shop, perhaps. Looks good. And then, of course, I can plug you into this tool that I have. So I have a tool called Ahrefs. And Ahrefs gives me data that you don't have. So this is where having a well-built website comes into play. So also on the first page, let's give you another example. Let's go Honest One Auto. Honest One Auto, check them out. They're on the first page. I plug them into Ahrefs. They have 679 backlinks, 69 referring domains or citations that are linking them back, and you have 317 organic keywords, and you're getting 121-ish in volume per month searched on their website just from the keywords that they have. Let's give you an example of what keywords will do for you. Keywords being in Charleston, South Carolina, auto repair, Charleston, South Carolina, search 200 times a month. So that's exposure that you're missing out on. Mechanic Charleston, 90. Mechanics, Charleston again. Mechanics, play on words, but it still works. Not oil changes, coupons, maybe. What do we have here? Charleston Auto Repair, 350 times. So you get the point here. The more keywords and the more content you have on the page, this is the kind of volume of potential clients or customers that you could have coming into you and creating that much more value for your website or your business, really, business. Referring domains. Just let my computer catch up. Catch up. There we go. Name, address, phone number. Get promo codes. 0. See, keep in mind, citations and backlinks are not created equal, so you want to you want ones that have a strong domain rank. So find coupon codes. What's this? Big top coupons. So these citations are all obtainable and they directly reflect name, address, and phone number. And that is very simple to have. Backlinks as well. Any referring website to another. I think you're starting to understand what I'm trying to show you here. I mean, his traffic value is roughly that. That's just an estimate for this particular tool. So websites with referring domains, again, not all of them are created equal. So Charleston, South Carolina Air Auto Conditioning is a website linking back to him for an example. There's one with, well, that's honest. That's the Chamber of Commerce. So you understand, what do we have here? Advanced sites, stats, on it. Okay, 38. Other websites, other companies referring back to him, and as you see here, not all of them are created equal. They have no strength. Even though they're there, you want referring domains that are strong. You want endorsements from strong backlinks. But, it's enough. It helps him rank. He's on the first page of Google. He's doing well. He's getting a lot of exposure. So with that, I just wanted to maybe give you a little bit more insight so that you can see how content and backlinks and citations come together. And once you start to outrank your competitors, you start to show Google that you're trustworthy and have value, they move you up on the first page, and then you start to increase value of your business, increase traffic, you get more exposure, and that creates revenue, customers, right? So I just wanted to thank you for your time, and I appreciate it. I hope you have a better understanding of how important a well-built website is and the value that it can bring for you. And if you find yourself wanting some more info, we could talk. I could do some basic research and find out exactly what would be realistic for you and your business. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.